In this video, I'll be showing you one of the good stock market game which will help you to do backtesting of your strategies. And if you're a beginner, you can do a trading with this. Okay, it's almost like a Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you one of the good stock market game which will help you to do backtesting of your strategies. And if you're a beginner, you can do a trading with this. Okay, it's almost like a real trading, but it's a game. Okay, you will see chat, you will see indicators, everything is there. And this game is from ET News. Okay, that is Economic Times. So I'll be showing you the game and I'll be telling you how you can use it, and with that how you can improve your technical knowledge and all this thing. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in intraday trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly, and people who had losses have recovered their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this, you can join us now. Okay, and also if you're having losses and if you are wishing to recover your losses, don't worry, you can join us and I'll be helping you and guiding you to recover your losses. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn constant profit. Okay, just with a capital of 5 to 10,000 rupees, you can make 1,000 rupees per day. So for all of these things, I'll be guiding you. And also once you join us, you'll be getting lifetime support, and also I'll be guiding you in the live market, which is very important. Okay, so this is only one time payment, so once you join us, you'll be getting lifetime communication with us to help you to make earn constant profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof and feedback messages. So if you wish to stop your losses from now and want to start making constant profit from today, you can join us now. Okay, you can go through all of the feedback messages and proofs here. And also once you join us, these are the advantages and benefits what you get. So once you join us, you will be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you my 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. And just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be teaching you a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the game itself. Okay, which will help you to make a good paper trading and also a good practice. Okay, so I'll give you the direct link in the description below, that is chartmantra.economictimes.indian times. Okay, so this link will be given in the description below. So this is how it looks. Okay, so they give you almost like 1 lakh rupees in the cash and you will be trading on that. You can do buying, selling, holding and all these things. So now I'll be telling you how all this works. Okay, here as you can see below, you get buy, short option, stop loss, next day option. If you're holding it, you can go for the next day, and also a new stock option. Okay, so here are the options for candles. What type of candle you want, like bar candle, colored candle, lines, all these things. Like, okay, so let me just put in candle now, and you can also add ADX, the indicator, MACD if you want. So these are the main indicator what we use in intraday trading, so all these are present. Okay, and also you can see volume, and also you can draw crosshairs or horizontal lines. So let us put crosshairs and see. Okay, so this is how it works. So you have almost all the major things, all the major indicators. So you guys can try this. Okay, if you want to do any of the technical analysis, and you guys can try this out and this will help you. So now what happens is, let's say you want to buy the stock now. You click on buy and it will buy for your whole 1 lakh capital what they have given. Okay, so they gave you 1 lakh of the capital. So when you click on buy, as you can see, it gets bought now. Now we should tap this button that is keep shares. So you should keep on clicking that. So once you meet your profit or once you meet your target, you can click on sell button. Okay. So now when you keep on, let's say now you have to exit the stock. So click on sell. Okay. So now your order is done. You're sold the stock. Okay. So now let's say you have to let's go to new stock. When you click on new stock, what will happen is it will load up another stock. So this is another kind of stock. Now let's say you have to buy again. So again you will click on the buy and just click on keep shares. So as you can see it went up. So this is how you can use it. As you can see, you can use some technical strategies and all these things to make you work. So you can just use it for your study purpose. And also if you're a beginner, this game will help you to understand how the indicator works and how the chart works and all these things. So now if you click on sell, so yes, you got sold here. It will also show in the activity like how much you bought, how much you sold, at what profit you booked and everything. So now let's say you have to short the stock. Okay, you have to click on short. Okay, now the sell will be executed. This is short sell. So short sell means first selling and later buying. So keep shorted, you should keep. Okay, so once you're down, just click on exit short and your short profit will be booked. Okay, so for what things this will be useful for. So if you are a beginner, you can use this. And also if you are trying out some new indicator strategy and want to check how it is working, you can use it, because as you can see it happens just like a live market. When you click on keep shorted or keep shares, when you click on next, it will show you the real data. Okay, so these are the end of the day data of the stocks. So it will make you feel like you're as if you're doing a real trade, and your analyzing skill can be increased by using this. Okay, so if you're a beginner and if you're a technical strategy user of lot things, you can just use this and try to improve your accuracy. Okay, because these are the real end of the day charts of some stocks what they've loaded. Okay, so if you guys are interested to check this out, do check it out and let me know in the comment section what you feel about it. Okay, so this link will be given in the description below of this game. You don't need to do any installation, that's the very good part. You don't need to have an account or anything. You can just open this link and start playing immediately. Okay, and you don't need to install any app also. If you're in a computer, you can just open this link directly and start doing your paper tradings. Okay, so this is a very good thing what I found and I felt like sharing with you. So that's why I'm making a video for you today. Okay, so hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video and if you guys like this content, do give a like. And if you're expecting me to do any of the other content and other topics, do leave in the comment section below. I'll be covering it. And also you can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit I made on what stock I traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn constant profit like this and want to stop your losses from now, you can join us and I'll be guiding you to make you earn constant profit. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.